to go on a naughty seaside tour then. I'm going to go down to the beach. It's a bit wet and miserable. I feel like being a bit of a rebel. Just for you lot. We're going to do something we probably shouldn't. I don't know if I fancy going on the sand, but yeah, we should be down here, fairly certain. I don't really have anything to talk about through this video, so we're just going to take it as it comes. Check out the scenery. It's a bit of a wet and miserable night. I've already done a topic today for the vlog. Had a good old chat. Got angry at a few people. Let's just hope we don't get any dogs running out in front of us. People do like to walk their dogs around here. Is that a boat? I wonder what he's doing out there. Like a Dexter spin-off, Clacton style, dumping his bodies in the ocean. Yeah, just enjoy the view really. The surface is a bit shit down there. I like the rain, I'm a bit weird. I want it to piss it down. I'm fully waterproofed up. I look like the Michelin Man. It beats taking a normal road, surely. Do look like a drug dealer or something though. Oh, what that is that a lifeguard? No, it's Mr. Lifeguardy boat over there. Probably don't appreciate me fucking about on the promenade. I wonder what he's up to. A lifeguard? I won't be surprised if I get a couple of police trying to catch me when I come out of it. I'm not even sure if... I don't know. I mean, I don't know if I'm going to get in trouble for this or not. There's nothing that says no cycling. It doesn't say no motorcycling. You just got to be fucking careful, I suppose. Yeah, but guys, enjoy the view. I mean, when I've had a tough day, this is where I'll come. I'm not on the bike. This is the first time I've been down here on the bike, really. But if I've had a tough day, I'll come and sit on the beach. That's the perks of living at the seaside, really. I can't see shit through my visor. I've got a tinted visor on. I can't see anything. We've got a couple of runners here. Run, bitch, run! Hopefully they appreciate me being on it. Fuck y'all! Ow, my eyes, the rain hurts. Ow, 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 ow. It's a problem when you have a dark visor on and you don't swap it out. I can't see shit with it down, but in the rain. Woo! But in the rain, I can't leave it open. So you just get pounded in the face by giant drops of water sperm. be honest, I'm expecting a police car to roll up down here, because they can get down here. I've seen them before when you get the yobs on the seafront. That sea is really high. Yeah, when you get the yobs on the seafront, they're not shy of bringing the cars down here. I don't know how they get down here, but I think there's a specific ramp they can get down. Oh yeah, look at that, just for you guys. Yeah, but if I do see one, I'm probably just going to bomb it up one of these ramps and say adios. Whoa, shit! That's how you nearly drop a motorbike. Whoa, fuck! Okay, yeah, lesson learned. Let's be careful. Alright, that is slippery. I've got absolutely no traction on that whatsoever. Alright, we'll stay off them bits. It's so shiny and tractionless. Is my red tyre alright? Because that was very fucking dodgy. That was literally no traction. Yeah, it looks like a couple of legs. Oh, I'm a bit wary now because that was really dodgy. Obviously you got all the sandy bits, sandy seaweedy bits. Yeah, this is dodgy. Ow, I'm being pounded by water. I suppose it's better than being pounded by a few other things I could mention. Oh no, oh no. Actually, I haven't given you guys a wash. Is that better? Nice and clean. Just fingered your lens. Got old matey here, he's got the binoculars out. Why would you do that? Why would you come to the beach when it's like, is that a ramp? Yeah, I thought that fucking stairs there, shit myself. Oh. Why would you come to the beach like this? Oh god, it's really starting to come down now. I don't want to put my visor down, but I have to. Is that a gate? Naughty boy! No cycling. No motorcycling. So I'd be more suited for this, something like a Sinus Apache, a 125 dual sport type thing. Who's got one of those? Quack bit. Quack bit, quack quack. Yeah, he's a decent guy. I might actually put a... Hey, yeah, I'll make this a little shout out for him. I know I've only got 42 subs, mate, but yeah, Quack bit. He's a good laugh, he's a nice guy. I'll put a link in there, check him out. If you gain 1 or 2 subs, mate, that's a bonus. Yeah, something like his bike would be perfect for this. I know he recently had an off-road attempt. I'm sorry mate, but you failed miserably. Absolutely pathetic. I mean, come on, I'm on a 900cc sport bike and I'm doing this. Woo! I've taken it worse as well. Where's that lifeboat? I've lost him by now. Wouldn't that be hilarious if I just lost traction and slipped the bike over the edge? Do you think this video would go viral? Do you think so? If I just suddenly just lost the back wheel and the bike went in the water. I've got to admit, I'd probably laugh and cry both at the same time, as you do. I'm not sure if insurance would cover something like that. I mean, I'm fully calm. I don't know how you would explain it though. I guess you just say someone nicked it and he found it in the ocean. Got old mate here with the doggies. Again, I don't think they appreciate me being down here. But you do get the builders and things, and people who live in own these huts, they do have to drive their cars and things down it. So it's not all that bad. Do you know what? For someone who doesn't intend to talk in a video, I'd end up yapping away about absolutely nothing. I really don't trust this surface. Ah, the rain, man, it hurts. Just waiting to hit a sandy patch now. I've got a viral video on my hands then. I really don't want to drop the bike though. I'm not into that. Oh shit. It's down there. Should we have a look? Ooh, okay, yeah, I didn't think about this surface. Oh, shit on a stick. Fuck my dick. Should we test how waterproof the Kawasaki ZX-9R is? Let's not. Let's just hope we get up this without losing the back wheel. Oh, clutch, 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 clutch. Oh shit, clutch. Clutch, clutch, more clutch. Less clutch, turn, leg, more turn. Ready? Figure eight, figure eight. Wait, 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 wait! Should go up one and down one. Wait, wait! Oh, this is dodgy. I do not recommend this. Do not recommend this. Ow, I'm being pounded in the face. Oh, God, I am a knob. Oh, God. Please do not drop the bike. Okay. I'll tell you one thing, my rear wheel was slipping out as I had held on the back brake then. That whole fucking thing, that wasn't fun. I surprise myself sometimes at the idiocy. And I'm surprised I get away with the things I do in terms of not killing myself. Please don't tell me that was a flat tyre. Guys, I'm sorry if I'm ruining the nice scenery with all my babbling. Jesus Christ, I need a piss. No, I'm not going up that. I know you all want me to, but I won't. That's a big tower. Oh God, it's that slippery surface. Oh God. Ah, ah, being pounded. What's down here? Caution, slippery surfaces, do not climb, not suitable for wheeled vehicles. Oh, well that puts me in a situation, doesn't it? Yeah, I kind of want to, but I am scared of that surface and I really don't want to drop the bike in the water. I really don't want to drop the bike in the water. I would go and scout it on foot first if I was going to do that, because I don't know what's around that corner. Sea defences, not doing a good job, is it? I need some defences against me. Alright, should we make our way out? Look at that, it's fucking beautiful. I gotta get a picture on my phone. Gotta be done. I really need a piss as well. Another long vlog from me. I've got like six in the render now. Some say he likes it moist. Oh, now I've got to blur the plate out, for fuck's sake. You're a div. It's beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. Keep an eye out for the police car, ladies and gentlemen. I'm expecting it down here any minute. No, not really. I don't think what I'm doing is that bad. It's not like there's anyone down here. Do you know what? Even for all my trouble of getting these waterproofs on, I'm still getting wet. Do you guys find that your waterproofs actually keep you fucking dry? Because I don't. They keep you dry to an extent, and then as soon as it gets pretty sloppy like this, then you're in trouble. So yeah, I'll jump out of here, I'll get on a ramp. I'm sure you guys want to see me go up one of these ramps. Unfortunately, I'm not going to fail, because I'm just the skills to pay the bills.